Faster Internet configuration for Android phone. Get right. Internet settings. 4G, 5G, slow Internet change. Just APN settings for any network. Go to Phone Settings. Tab on SIM and Network Settings. Tab on your SIM select for APN settings. Tab on Access Point Name. Tab on plus icon, add new Internet settings. Fill this page, Important Settings. Number 1, tab on Name. Number 2, tab on APN. Tab on Proxy. Tab on Port. Number 3, tab on Username. Number 4, tab on Password. Tab on MMSC. Tab on Proxy. Tab on Port. Authentication type. PAP/CHAP. Tab on APN type. APN protocol. IPv4/IPv6. APN roaming protocol. IPv4/IPv6. Most importantly, settings bearer. Last, save your new APN settings. Select this settings after restarting your phone. Check your internet speed. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and share.